Little Angel Reader. Little Angel Reader. Kitchen Angel. Delicious. Yum, yum. Easy cheesecake recipe.
Cheesecake in a multicooker or oven. Made and read aloud for you by Little Angel Reader. Easy cheesecake recipe. Do you like to cook? Do you like to learn English? In today's Kitchen Angel video, I will show you how to make a very delicious cheesecake. You can make it in the oven or in a multicooker. I will show you the recipe step by step. You will have a new and easy recipe and will also learn or practice some food and kitchen vocabulary. For our cheesecake, we will need the following ingredients: 5 eggs, 500 grams of cottage cheese, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a cup of flour plus half a cup of cream of wheat. Or if you don't have cream of wheat, just use 1 cup of flour. We need 2 bowls for 2 steps. Step 1 is a crust. Step 2 is a filling. Do you know that when you invite a friend to share some tea, what you really share is your heart? To make a crust, beat 2 eggs with half a cup of sugar. Add the sour cream, a little bit of salt, and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Don't forget the flour and cream of wheat. When I was making my cheesecake, I forgot about it, and I had to put it in the end. Stir it well and pour it in the multicooker bowl. Don't forget to grease the bowl with some sunflower oil. In a different bowl, beat 3 eggs, half a cup of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of cream of wheat. Add the cottage cheese. Stir it well. Then slowly pour it in the middle of the multicooker bowl into the crust mixture. Close the lid, press menu, and select the Bake or Bread program. Use the Cook Time button to set the timer for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Press Start and cook until the program finishes. Allow the cheesecake to cool. It tastes better when it's cold. I usually bake it in the evening, put it in the fridge for the night, and serve it in the morning. Yummy! Enjoy! My friend used this recipe to make a cheesecake in the oven because she doesn't have a multicooker. It takes 50 minutes in the oven to make this cheesecake and 1 hour and 30 minutes in the multicooker. Remember, I forgot about the flour and had to put it in the end and mix it again in the end. That's why my cheesecake looks white on top, but it tastes the same. Now you know a new recipe. Did you like it? Please tell me in the comments below if this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching. If you would like to help our channel and family, please read the information in the video description and feel free to use one of the links there. Thank you for your financial support. We need it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your help.